Huawei's return in the smartphone market is causing a major discussion. Even with restrictions, the company is able to impact the sales target of Apple and other smartphone companies, including the latest release iPhone 15. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says that the demand for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more than its predecessor. However, the demand for two iPhone 15 models is only satisfying as compared to last year. Also, demand for the iPhone 15 Pro is likely to be weaker than the previous year. Kuo mentioned that this change may be due to more users switching to the Pro Max model. Amid high demand, Apple has delayed the shipment of the iPhone 15 Pro Max longer than other models. This delay is more unusual than past releases posted by challenges in mass production. Recently, media reports of an iPhone ban by the Chinese government surfaced. Later on, China denied the reports, but it's predicted to create difficulty for new iPhones. Yet Kuo says that the difference in sales won't be a concern in this matter. The industry analyst predicts that Huawei's return will surely mark an impact on iPhone 15 sales. Still, an exact number or presumption can't be made from this point in time. The current pre-order is seeing a robust outlook for the top iPhone 15 model. This is heavily driven by its core users, the ones who are die-hard fans of the American phone maker. Particularly in China, Apple and Huawei have the same target users. Past trend shows that Huawei is looking to gain more customers with the Mate 60 series in comparison to the Mate 50 lineup. The fight between the Mate 60 series and the iPhone 15 series in China will enter an interesting time later in Q4 2023 or early 2024. Since China is one of the largest markets for Apple, it may witness a good change in sales figures thanks to the Chinese company. Despite being restricted and disturbed by many issues, we would like to see how much Huawei could impact the sales mark of iPhone 15 and other competitors. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.